94-year-old woman perishes in house fire in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A senior citizen perished in a house fire in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 94-year-old Alganese Taylor. Reports are that firefighters were alerted to the blaze by a resident at about 12:30 p.m. on Saturday. The residents who were early on the scene said that the elderly woman was heard crying for help from inside one of the burning rooms. However, persons were unable to assist her due to the extent of the blaze. A unit from the St. Catherine Fire Department was dispatched to the scene. On their arrival, a section of the 4-bedroom house was seen on fire. Following cooling down operations, the body of the woman was found in one of the burnt-out rooms. The cause of the fire remains unknown, but firefighters are probing the development. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.